Have you ever wondered about the actual financial performance of your real estate portfolio? With our Real Estate Pro Forma template, you can monitor the return of up to 10 property units to gain a clear view of your investments over time. Monitor the progress of rental income and related expenses to obtain accurate analyses of profitability, cash flow, and property value. Our template calculates the performance of your real estate investments over a 10-year period with monthly and annual visualizations. This not only assists in the upkeep of your property, but also contributes to the growth and enhancement of the value of your real estate portfolio. The blue highlighted fields, or blue text, are where you need to enter your information, and they're essential for the template to work correctly. The black fields have special formulas and calculations. Be careful not to delete the fields with black numbers or make big changes, as they're important for the template to function properly. By the way, we're UExec. We create business presentation templates and spreadsheet models to save you hours of work. Follow us to receive weekly business templates and spreadsheets that will propel your career forward. Our Real Estate Pro Forma offers a structured approach to managing real estate investments. The first section, with gray tabs, allows you to assess the return potential of various properties. You can record the details of the property you purchase and project its performance over 10 years. The next section, found under the yellow amortization tab, is for monitoring loans related to property acquisition. The final section, indicated by the blue tabs, helps in tracking the property's expenses and income, and provides tools for evaluating its overall financial health and operational efficiency. You can use the Properties tab to evaluate the property with the highest financial return potential. List the properties you're interested in and add details like your purchase price, expected monthly rent, and the total square footage. The template automatically calculates important metrics like annual rental income, property value per square foot, and the gross rent multiplier, or GRM. The GRM compares a property's price to its annual rental income. It serves as a unified metric to evaluate properties with diverse characteristics. A lower GRM suggests a better price relative to income, indicating a quicker return on investment, while a higher GRM indicates a higher price compared to income, suggesting a slower return. The template uses conditional formatting to help with analysis. Properties with a lower GRM are shown in green, and those with a higher GRM are in red, making it easier to spot properties with better financial prospects in a long list. Once you've chosen a property to buy, you can use the Purchase Details tab to enter all pertinent information about the purchase. The General Information section is where essential property details are entered, such as the purchase date, property value, and the number of units acquired. This section also requests the average regional GRM. The average regional GRM calculates an average GRM for properties in the same region. To assist in its calculation, the template includes a table under the Training tab where you can enter data for 6 properties in the same area to obtain the average regional GRM. In the remaining part of this section, you'll find fields dedicated to the calculation of property tax-related details. Here, enter the ratio of the purchase price allocated to the lot size and the building. This is important because the land cost is not depreciable, whereas the building cost is subject to depreciation for tax purposes. Next, enter the annual tax rate and the type of tax. If the tax increases annually on a fixed rate, select Yes in the available drop-down menu and specify the annual rate of increase. Here's where purchase and loan details come in. In the Loan Details section, you can document loans associated with the property acquisition. Enter the down payment percentage, the annual interest rate, and the amortization period to determine the total loan amount. This information also contributes to generating a detailed amortization table, which we'll cover later. Additionally, you can provide details about private mortgage insurance, or PMI, typically required for down payments of less than 20% of the property's value. Include any other financing-related expenses and other costs as well. The template then automatically calculates the total capital needed for property acquisition, a key figure in assessing your return on investment. It also offers an option to record tax benefit details, allowing you to factor these advantages into the financial analysis. Don't forget, you can download and begin to customize this Real Estate Pro Forma spreadsheet template right now in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. The Expected Pro Forma tab is designed for financial forecasting of your property's future performance. In this section, you can incorporate variable rates such as inflation, which will adjust the projected revenue and expenses. This tab is primarily used to create predictive analyses of cash flow, property appreciation, and overall financial return, utilizing the data from your financing and purchasing details. Enter your expected values once, and the template will automatically extend these projections on a monthly basis for the next 10 years. It also includes mini charts for visual representation of these projections by the end. The goal is to maintain the original projection as a constant baseline, enabling more precise and realistic comparisons between actual results and initial expectations over time. The Amortization tab tracks the development of a loan throughout its duration. Utilizing data from the Purchase Details tab, it includes a chart and an amortization table, which illustrate the total amount paid and the outstanding balance. For those intending to make extra payments, the tab provides a feature to log these extra amounts. This addition enables a graphical display of how these additional payments can shorten the loan term and decrease the total interest to be paid. The CAPEX tab initiates the main part of the Real Estate Pro Forma, where you record data in real time. CAPEX, or capital expenditures, refers to major expenses that substantially enhance the property's value, like installing new equipment to boost appeal and earnings. Here, you can log these capital costs and indicate if they're tied to a specific unit or the whole property through the drop-down section. This tab not only acts as a record of such improvements, but also ensures that these entries automatically update the expenses in your pro forma. This feature helps to accurately capture the financial impact of these improvements to your overall analysis. The actual Pro Forma tab gathers the financial data of the property, such as inflation rate, revenues, expenses, financing details, and final results. First, enter the expected inflation rates and rent increases, which can be specified for each unit. Then, enter revenue and expenses to obtain an initial projection for the next 10 years. Unlike the Expected Pro Forma tab, here, you'll update the projections monthly and the annual rate variations based on actual occurrences. A crucial point is managing vacant units. If a unit is unoccupied in a specified month, enter the rent as 0. The template will highlight these months in red to calculate vacancy costs for each unit. Additionally, units that have not been acquired are shown in gray, indicating their unavailability. The Pro Forma provides a detailed analysis of your investment at the end of the tab. To clarify any doubts, all calculations are explained in the Notes section and the Training tab, ensuring your complete understanding. An important feature of the template is its representation of the net profit cumulative. This metric indicates the point at which your initial investment has been recouped from your earnings. To assist in identifying this moment, the template highlights the point of investment recovery with a green field. After filling out the actual Pro Forma tab, review the results summary in the Annual Report tab, which presents an annual overview of the data with the same formatting applied in the previous tab. At the end of the Real Estate Pro Forma, the financial dashboard gives a clear summary and compares what you expected to earn financially with what you actually earned from the property over the planned 10 years. It has detailed charts showing your investment returns, including specific metrics like net operating income, net profit cumulative, and cash-on-cash return. The dashboard also displays the yearly total expenses and your revenues. On the operational front, the rental dashboard focuses on rented units, with a filter for analyzing each one individually. The dashboard calculates the total rental income, occupancy rate, average rent charged, and other analysis for the chosen unit. The charts highlight revenue generation and vacancy costs, aiding in the identification of units with lower than expected yields and providing a basis for operational strategies. The Real Estate Pro Forma, available in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, provides a structured path to track your property's finances. The template becomes a reliable record of your real estate operations, forecasts future performances, and evaluates the best investment opportunities. Use this template to maintain the strong performance of your real estate portfolio over time. Thank you so much for watching.